How to mute text to speech notifications on Transit app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can mute text to speech notifications on the Transit app. Now, to mute text to speech notification on the Transit app, the first step is to open the Transit app. Now, after opening the Transit app, the next thing to do will be to use the Go feature. And how can you use the Go feature? Click on the search box at the lowest part of the screen. Select your location as well as your current the destination as well as your current location. After selecting that, and after you've booked a trip, you'll be taken to the page where you can see the Go feature. All right, now select it. Now, after selecting the Go feature, you'll be taken to the Go's page. On this page, you'll see some icons such as the bell icon, the speaker icon, etc. Ensure you select the speaker icon at the top right corner of the Go screen. So after selecting the speaker icon, this icon or this action will disable the speech notifications, but you will still receive push notifications about your trip. These notifications will be associated with your phone's default vibration and or sound settings. All right, and then the speech notification will be muted, but you definitely get some push notifications, most likely as an overlay notification at the top part of your screen. So that is how to mute it. Okay, you can mute this majorly by using the Go feature, so ensure you engage that while trying this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.